In today's video, I'm going to teach you build better Power BI reports with the new card visual. Start by opening Power BI desktop and loading one of your reports so we can enhance it with a dynamic super card. First, let's prepare the data for images. Switch to table view and click the column that contains your image links. In the ribbon, go to column tools, open data category and choose image URL. This tells Power BI that the values in this column are web addresses for images, which allows the new card visual to display them properly. Make sure your links point directly to image files that are accessible from your report environment. Next, we'll set up the measures that power the card. Go to Report View. In the data pane, right-click your table and select New Measure, then create total sales equals sum your table name sales. Replace the placeholder with your actual table name. Create another measure the same way for target value equals sum your table name target. Now add a comparison measure. Sales versus target equals total sales, target value, so you can see how far above or below target you are. Add target achievement percent equals divide total sales at target value. Using divide handles cases where the target might be 0 and avoids errors. Finally, create a simple formatting helper. Target color equals IF sales versus target, a 0, green, red. This will let you drive color dynamically wherever conditional formatting supports it. Now let's build the supercard. Insert the card, new visual. Drag product category into the visual first. This instantly creates one card per category, making a compact, scannable layout. Then drag total sales into the data field so each card shows the sales value for its category. To enrich the card with imagery, open the format pane, go to cards, then image, and turn it on. Set image type to image URL and choose your image URL column as the field. Keep images consistent in size and hosted reliably for best results. For context against your goals, add reference labels. In the format pane, open reference labels, set series to total sales, and add a label using the target achievement percent measure. This displays a clean percentage right on the card, making performance versus target instantly clear. Finally, enable the accent bar under cards. Turn it on and pick a color that matches your report theme. The accent bar provides a strong visual anchor and helps the eye compare cards quickly. And that's it. Clean, informative cards with images, targets, and a polished layout. If you found this helpful, don't forget to apply these steps to your next report and refine the formatting to match your brand. Thanks for watching.